Blue tick on Facebook, how to get. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can get the blue tick on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to get the blue tick on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Facebook application here. Once you launch the Facebook app, you will see this type of interface where you want to simply come to your profile page here. Now Facebook actually released a new update which is called meta verification, so you can still get a blue tick if you're not a celebrity or authentic figure or something like that. For that, after you come to the profile page, tap the three lines option, go to the option called meta verified. Once you go to meta verified, here you can select an account that you want to get to meta verified, and after that you can just select sign up 2 profiles or sign up only 1 profile. After that, you can see the price. You will be billed $7.99 per month on this profile, which could be a verified badge, increased account protection, and so on. So now you can just tap the pay to get benefits option. Once you've done this, you will be able to get the meta verification. This way you'll be able to go ahead and get the blue tick now on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.